everyone, it's Hannah on FaithsGoodWorks. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Hansen Salon Chrome in the color Gunmetal. This is just like a powder that you rub onto your nail color that goes with this. It makes it really metallic. This one is kind of supposed to be like a mirror, so that's the one that I've chosen to review today. I actually have another Hansen Salon Chrome, and this is in Mermaid Serene. And this one was really pretty. I actually already did this one. I recently got this one and I really wanted to try it out, and I thought this one would be really cool. This one was so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I would highly recommend this one as well. But today I'm going to review the Gunmetal one. The steps on the back, it actually says to apply 2 thin coats of Miracle Gel Blackio, and it's not included, so you had to buy that separately. That's the only thing. And you're supposed to allow that to dry until it's really tacky, so just let it dry for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then you're going to get your applicator, which is kind of like a eyeshadow brush that you get in those little palettes. And so you're supposed to put that into the chrome powder and rub it onto the surface of the nail using light pressure. If you go too hard, since it's still kind of tacky, it'll just kind of rub the polish off, and so that wouldn't be that good. You're supposed to go in a back and forth motion and repeat for all the nails. Apply 1 thin coat of the Special Effects top coat. That is what's in the box here. If you do not put this Special Effects top coat by them on, it will not work. Trust me, I've accidentally not let this dry. Like it says, you have to let it dry for 5 minutes. Yeah, that is so important. If you do not let it fully dry, like I did accidentally, then when you put your clear top coat on, it will separate and kind of make it really bad, and it's not good. And then the last step, the 4th step, you're supposed to put on their Miracle Gel top coat. This, I've tried it and it stays so glossy forever, and it's so sparkly, it's so beautiful. I'm talking about the Mermaid Serene. This one I have not tried yet, so we're going to see how it looks. So let's jump right into the video. As you all know, the first thing I do is, of course, put my Sally Hansen base coat on, especially with black. This helps to not stain your nails, and it really helps, and I really like it. Once your base coat has dried, you're going to add 1 layer of the Blackio black nail polish from Sally Hansen. It's almost fully opaque with just the first coat, but the instructions say to do 2 coats, so that's what I'm going to do. After your first coat has dried, you can move on to your second coat, and the instructions say to do 2 coats to give it full opacity, and you want to wait till it's a little tacky so you can add on your nice, beautiful chrome powder. Once your nails are almost fully dried but a little tacky, the reason we need it to be a little tacky is so that the powder can adhere better to your nail. It was so easy to rub the powder onto the nail. Oh my goodness, when I was rubbing it on, it just like went on there so smoothly. You would have thought, since it's a little tacky, it would have not been able to rub on as smooth, but it really did. It was really nice. The only thing I would say about it is that it was a little sparkly, but I mean, me being a girl, that's never a problem, so. Other than that, it's amazing and beautiful. The next thing to do is add your Special Effects top coat, and this is just like normal top coat, except if you put any other top coat on, it won't work that great, so this is really important. So super easy, I love it, it looks amazing. And here, after I fully had the Special Effects top coat dry, I put my normal top coat on, and it looks beautiful. I'm so happy with it. Once you wash your hands, the sparkles come right off. It's amazing. So the Mermaid Serene color is on my ring finger and the Gunmetal color is on my right, and there's literally no difference. Oh my goodness, it's crazy. I mean, the Mermaid Serene one's a little bit more colorful, but there's like literally no difference, so you don't even need to get both. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I love doing it. This was so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It'll really help out. Thank you guys so much for everything. Have a blessed day.